This time last year, we were setting records across southeastern Minnesota and northeastern Iowa. Not the good type of records by any means, with the extreme cold temperatures that we dealt with in 2019. Our high temperature in Rochester on January 30th, so today's date last year, was 19 degrees below zero in Rochester. And some of those other temperatures across the area, for the most part, anywhere from about 15 to 18 degrees below. Our overnight lows dropped all the way down, closing in on 30 degrees below zero, with our feel-like temperatures, so we add on the wind on top of that, anywhere from 54 degrees below zero to an astonishing 61 degrees below zero at the Rochester International Airport. Some of those were record breakers. The good news, at least for this year, is that, hey, we're pretty seasonable. High temperature last year on 2019, 19 degrees below zero. Today, 25 degrees. If you do the math, that's 44 degrees warmer today than what we were just 1 year ago. So thankfully, we're not dealing with the extreme cold temperatures of that polar vortex event that we had last year. Now our focus shifts this year to the potential for some freezing drizzle and some light snowfall. Outside currently, looking at a live camera, those temperatures along Highway 52 currently at 25 degrees, so we still sit at 25. Temperatures won't cool off too much more because of that pesky cloud cover that we've had for the past 8 straight days now. Those winds are out of the south at about 10 miles per hour. Cloudy skies continue, some light flurries to the north near Lake City and Red Wing, getting some reports in of some light flurries, but for the most part, quiet conditions as of now. Could run into some freezing drizzle, I think, in the next couple hours. Our main system, our wave of energy, is off to our west. That moves in late tonight into early Friday morning, and although I think accumulations will be fairly minor, we're talking maybe an inch for the most part, about a half inch to 3/4 of an inch of snow will be likely. It does not mean we can't look at some slick spots early, I would say late tonight, early Friday morning, impacting that Friday morning commute. So some light snow mixed in with just a little bit of freezing drizzle, especially on bridges and overpasses, could run into some slick spots. So tonight, as we time things out, I think by about 7:30, 8 o'clock tonight, so we have that chance for some light freezing drizzle. Eventually, we'll build in some moisture and see some chances for some widespread snowfall, especially early in the morning. 4:30 tomorrow morning, notice a little bit more widespread snowfall. Temperatures staying right around 22 to 23 degrees. As we move through the morning, lingering flurries, lingering light snow. Accumulations are minor, but pretty much done with the snowfall. Notice as we head towards the early afternoon. By the evening, for the evening commute, we're dry and quiet by that point in time. So as we time things out, it's a patchy freezing drizzle possible tonight until about 10 o'clock this evening. Very isolated, very patchy. Then we deal with the spotty light snow. I think our best chance for some widespread snowfall east of I-35 would be from about 4:30 in the morning until 7 a.m. So your forecast then for tonight, 22 for the overnight low, some freezing drizzle and some light snow. Accumulations will be less than a half inch tonight and less than a half inch tomorrow as well. As we look at that 7-day forecast, temperatures fairly comfortable this upcoming weekend. 32 Saturday, 38 on Sunday. And then we deal with some light snow potentially again on next Tuesday, and then social ice next week. And all three of us will be live down there for 5 and 6 coming up on Thursday and Friday.
I actually looked at 25 and breathed a sigh of relief because, you know, we've had social ice in the past where it got a little too warm and everything kind of melted, which is not fun.
The ice
social
bars
ice
appear safe at this point.
Yes, at this point, we're well down below freezing, seasonal type temperatures, so that'll be perfect.
We'll be broadcasting from down there live at 5 and 6, both Thursday and Friday.
Looking
It's going to be a lot
forward
of
to
fun.
it.
Thank you. The